Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage about bullying. First 27 to 30 questions are paragraph heading. First is section A. Its heading is number 4. Research into how common bullying is in British schools. British schools में bullying कितनी common है? A survey I conducted with L. Renee Whitney found that in British primary schools up to a quarter of pupils reported experience of bullying, which is about 1 in 10 cases was persistent. 10 में से एक केस है. Next question is section B. Its heading is number 6. The effects of bullying on the children involved. Bullying का बच्चों पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है? Bullying is clearly unpleasant and can make the child experiencing it feel unworthy and depressed. In extreme cases, it can even lead to suicide. Next is section C. Its heading is number 5. The reaction from schools to inquiries about bullying. Bullying के बारे में schools वाले क्या कहते हैं? Perhaps as a consequence, schools would often deny the problem. There is no bullying at this school. Next question is section D. Its heading is number 7. Developments that have led to a new approach by schools. Developments की वजह से schools वालों ने नई approach शुरू की. 3 factors are involved in this change. First is an awareness of the severity of the problem. Second, a number of resources to help tackle bullying have become available in Britain. For example, the Scottish Council for Research in Education produced a package of materials, Action Against Bullying, circulated to all schools in England and Wales as well as in Scotland in summer 1992, with a second pack supporting schools against bullying produced the following year. Next 31 to 34 questions are multiple options. First is, a recent survey found that in British secondary schools, its answer is B. There was less bullying than in primary schools. British secondary schools में primary schools के मुकाबले कम bullying होती है. A survey I conducted with L. Renee Whitney found that in British primary schools up to a quarter of pupils reported experience of bullying, which in about 1 in 10 cases persistent. There was less bullying in secondary schools, with about 1 in 25 suffering persistent bullying. Next question is, children who are bullied, answer is D. May have difficulty forming relationship in later life. जो बच्चे बुलिंग का शिकार होते हैं वो अपनी आने वाली जिंदगी में रिलेशनशिप नहीं बना सकते. Victimized pupils are more likely to experience difficulties with interpersonal relationships as adults. Next question is, the writer thinks that the declaration there is no bullying at this school. Answer is D. Reflected a lack of knowledge and resources. ऐसा कहना कि हमारे स्कूल में बुलिंग नहीं है, ये शो करता है कि उनके पास knowledge and resources की कमी है. Until recently, not much was known about the topic, and little help was available to teachers to deal with bullying. Perhaps as a consequence, schools would often deny the problem. There is no bullying at this school has been a common refrain, almost certainly untrue. Next question is, what were the findings of research carried out in Norway? Answer is A. Bullying declined by 50% after an anti-bullying campaign. नॉर्वे की रिसर्च से पता चला कि एंटी-बुलिंग कैंपेन के बाद बुलिंग 50% तक कम हो गई है. In Norway, after an intervention campaign was introduced nationally, an evaluation of 42 schools suggested that over a 2-year period bullying was halved. Next 35 to 39 questions are to complete the summary. What steps should schools take to reduce bullying? First question is the most important step is for the school authorities to produce a dash, which make the school's attitude towards bullying quite clear. Schools authority को कुछ ऐसा प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए जिससे वो बुलिंग को लेकर क्लियर हो जाए. Evidence suggests that a key step is to develop a policy on bullying, saying clearly what is meant by bullying. So its answer is policy. Next question is, it should include detailed dash as to how the school and its staff will react if bullying occurs. डिटेल में कुछ देना चाहिए ताकि अगर बुलिंग हो तो स्कूल एंड स्टाफ को कैसे रिएक्ट करना है. And giving explicit guidelines on what will be done if occurs. तो इसका आंसर होगा explicit guidelines. Next question is, in addition, action can be taken through the dash. This is particularly useful in the early part of the process. किसी चीज के थ्रू स्कूल को एक्शन लेने चाहिए. Other actions can be taken to back up the policy. There are ways of dealing with the topic through curriculum. So its answer is curriculum. Next question is, effective work can also be done with individual pupils and small groups. For example, potential dash of bullying can be trained to be more self-confident. किसी का self-confidence बढ़ाने के लिए train करना चाहिए. There are ways of working with individual pupils or in small groups. Assertiveness training for pupils who are liable to be victims is worthwhile. तो इसका आंसर है victims. Next question is, playground supervision will be more effective if members of staff are trained to recognize the difference between bullying and mere dash. प्लेग्राउंड सुपरविजन इफेक्टिव हो सकता है अगर स्टाफ मेंबर्स को बुलिंग और किसी चीज में डिफरेंस पहचानने के लिए ट्रेन किया जाए. वर्क इन द प्लेग्राउंड इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू. One helpful step is to train lunchtime supervisors to distinguish bullying from playful fighting. तो इसका आंसर होगा playful fighting. Next 40 question is, which of the following is the most suitable title for reading passage? टाइटल हमें पूरे पैसेज का निचोड़ निकलना होता है, तो इसका आंसर है डी, बुलिंग फ्रॉम क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट टू प्रिवेंशन. वैसे आप स्टार्टिंग लाइंस में देख सकते हो. Persistent bullying is one of the worst experience a child can face. How can it be prevented? I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.